Hello everyone, welcome to this video on meshing a simple nozzle geometry. The goal of this video is to mesh the nozzle using half-wave grid topology. To start with topology creation, Step 1. Load a box wireframe macro. Step 2. Split the block using insert at the feature curves. The basic block structure is created. The simple topology without an O-grid structure would create a grid as shown here. Each edge representing a face intersection will create skewed cells. Since the geometry is semicircular, the topology would be a half-wave grid. To create a half-wave grid topology, the boundary faces representing the cylindrical region should be copied spherically. The wrap function is a copy function which can copy faces, edges and corners in a general way based on the input. The input in this case are the boundary faces representing a cylindrical region, which is represented by these three faces. In GridPro, selecting three faces selects a fourth face automatically, since the fourth face shares the common corners with face 1 and 3. To avoid the fourth face from being wrapped or copied, we can use the face exclusion option. Face exclusion can be done by holding the F key in the keyboard and selecting the diagonal corners of the face. A pink line appears along the selected corners to represent that the face is excluded from the operation. The manual face exclusion can only be applied for fewer faces. In cases where the number of faces are many, such as this, we can use the split block approach, where the faces representing the either ends of the faces are not of a single block but become part of a distinctive blocks. Let's split the block using the insert sheet option. Now, as mentioned earlier, the faces representing the cylindrical portion are part of distinctive blocks. The corners of the additional block are removed from the wrap group. The selected group has 4 faces now. The next step would be to execute the wrap. Let's wrap the current corner group with a ratio of 5%. Note that the outer sheet representing the structure is created by the spherical copy of the input faces. The next step is the surface assignments. Group the faces representing the surface from the topology in group. Assign the corners to the surface using the assignment add button. In a similar fashion, surface 0, 1 and 2 are being assigned. Check the validity of the topology to ensure that there are no errors. Let's start the grid generation by clicking on the Start Grid button. Let's examine the grid generated from this topology. As you can see, the grid with wrap has moved to ensure that the grid lines are orthogonal at the boundary. To summarize the video, half-wave grid topology can be created by wrapping only 3 out of 4 faces. It can be done either using face exclusion key, that is F key, or by splitting the blocks and removing the faces from the corner group. Wrapping faces around any geometry helps us to attain a better quality in terms of orthogonality. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Please subscribe to the channel to get the updates on new videos.